All right, hi everyone. I hope you enjoyed the long weekend and enjoyed any festivities to commemorate the Memorial Day. Uh, Today we're going to be continuing Mini Unit 4, our look at regional conflicts in the second half of the 20th century, and we'll be looking at the topic of apartheid in South Africa. Uh, but before some housekeeping things, you'll be able to redo, we'll be able to accept any redo work or late work. Just make sure you send an email. Also, Schoology will be open on Wednesdays for mini units 12, 13, and 14. And as Asmund, this is an individual assignment, so please make sure you submit your own work. If you have any questions, please email. All right, so what are we going to be looking at today with apartheid in South Africa? So here we have our document. It's broken up into three large sections. Section one is introduction. We have the term apartheid, its definition, and that it was a system of racial segregation in South Africa. Watch this video. It's about 94 seconds. And then you're going to give three examples, uh, making use of the timeline in the video that show how non-white, or let me rephrase that, identify three examples of laws that took power away from non-whites and or gave power to the white minority. And then we're going to move, so we have a chart here to also with the introduction. And for each question here, you can give an example. And section two is how was power gained, maintained, or consolidated by the white minority under the system of apartheid in South Africa. And we're going to go over two specific examples. Now, there's a lot, but the first one we're going to be looking at is past laws. Got two paragraphs and answer the questions. And then their next example they're going to look at is what's known as the forced removals. Again, there are many others. These are just a small sample to get a sense of what apartheid was. And then from here, you're going to watch section 3, which is on Nelson Mandela and the end of apartheid. Uh, you have two video clips. You're going to answer the questions. Uh, for those of you who are into any of the late night or comedians, Trevor Noah, uh, he grew up in apartheid, and a lot of his comedy relates back to those experiences. So for some of you, might have some exposure to that already. Right. Again, I hope everything is well, and can't wait to hear from you all, and take care and good luck.